Welcome to Phone Breakdown. In this video, we'll compare the Vivo X300 Pro and the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's see which one will win in this comparison and find out which one is better. Let's get started. Starting off with the display, the Vivo X300 Pro comes with a 6.78-inch screen, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max stretches slightly bigger at 6.9 inches. Vivo X300 Pro features an LTPO MOLED panel, while Apple goes with its signature LTPO Super Retina XD ROLED display. On resolution, Vivo offers 1260 by 2800 pixels, whereas iPhone 17 Pro Max gives you 1320 by 2868 pixels, both super crisp. Both phones pack a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and gaming equally fluid. Vivo X300 Pro shines bright with a massive 4500 nits peak brightness, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max reaches up to 3000 nits. For protection, Vivo uses scratch and drop-resistant glass, while Apple equips its screen with Ceramic Shield 2. Under the hood, the Vivo X300 Pro runs on MediaTek Dimensity 9500, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is powered by Apple's A19 Pro chip, both built on 3nm process. Vivo packs an octa-core CPU with speeds up to 4.21 GHz, while Apple's hexa-core setup includes two high-performance cores clocked at 4.26 GHz. For graphics, Vivo uses the ARM G1 Ultra GPU, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max brings Apple's 6-core GPU for top-tier visuals. Vivo X300 Pro comes with options of 12 or 16 GB RAM, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max sticks to 12 GB. Storage options are solid on both. Vivo offers up to 1 TB, while iPhone takes it a step further with a 2 TB variant. Neither phone supports a memory card slot, so you'll rely on internal storage only. On the rear, Vivo features a 50-megapixel wide main sensor, while the iPhone uses a 48-megapixel wide lens. Vivo adds a 200-megapixel periscope and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Apple counters with 48-megapixel periscope and ultra-wide sensors, plus a TOF 3D LiDAR scanner. Vivo shoots up to 8K at 30 frames per second, while iPhone maxes at 4K 120 frames per second. Both support multiple frame rate options. On the selfie side, Vivo carries a 50-megapixel front shooter, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max offers an 18-megapixel multi-aspect camera. Vivo records in 4K up to 60 frames per second and 1080p 60 frames per second, while the iPhone also handles 4K 60 frames per second and slow motion 1080p 120 frames per second. Battery life should favor Vivo with a 6,510 mAh cell compared to iPhone's 5,088 mAh unit. Vivo supports super-fast 90-watt charging, while iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with 40-watt fast charging. Build-wise, Vivo has a glass back with an aluminum frame, while Apple uses an aluminum alloy frame for added durability. Vivo measures 161.98 by 75.48 by 7.99 millimeters, while iPhone is 163.4 by 78 by 8.8 millimeters, slightly thicker and taller. In weight, Vivo is 226 grams and iPhone is 233 grams, both on the heavier flagship side. Both phones feature stereo speakers for an immersive sound experience. And no surprise here, neither phone includes a 3.5mm headphone jack. Both devices fully support 5G connectivity for high-speed data. Vivo offers dual-band Wi-Fi 802.11, while iPhone provides the same 802.11 standard for stable wireless performance. Both come with NFC support for easy wireless payments and pairing. Vivo X300 Pro includes an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, while iPhone relies solely on Face ID with no fingerprint option. Finally, both phones carry the essentials: accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass, but iPhone adds a barometer for extra precision. And that wraps up today's breakdown. Here is the final result of the comparison. Tell us in the comments below which one you think is better and why. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Phone Breakdown, and ring the bell icon so you never miss our latest mobile comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.